and welcome to my channel. Am I recording? Yeah, okay. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny, and this is Creating Crafts with Okay. Refocus that camera just a little bit. Okay. So Feelook Art Diamond Painting reached out to me again, which is very sweet of them. They have a new campaign going on, so they have 4 new diamond paintings that they are releasing. And so I picked Dreaming in Colors, and I will put the 4 that they are releasing up here so you can get a chance to take a quick look at them. So if you're interested in them, please head to their website and grab them before they're all gone, because I think they will. They're just absolutely gorgeous. And you guys know that I am also filming me diamond painting Viral Kitten, and I'll show a picture of how. I won't show you so much how it's coming along because it's completely covered, but I will show I don't know, maybe down here of me a little box of me diamond painting Viral Kitten right here, so you can get an idea of what it looks like when you actually diamond paint one of their paintings, because they're really nice. Okay, so we're here today, and this is a paid promotion. They sent it to me and all that fun stuff. So this one is called Dreaming in Color, and she's very, very colorful, as you can see on the picture here. And I will open the box. It came a box within a box and very well wrapped. I didn't want to film that because it's kind of like me going everywhere and trying to unwrap it. They do have presence on social media. They have Facebook, they have Pinterest, they have Instagram, they have YouTube, and they have their website. So they have all the major social medias out there. So if you need to find them, they are out there. This one is a 60 by 80, and the diamonds on this one are round. So let's open it up and see what we have. If I can get it open. Okay. Okay, so in the box, when you get your kind of like a baseball card type thing, and if you scratch off the back, I think you get, well, you can scratch off the back and see what you get, and instructions here. I don't throw away a box until I'm completely done. Let's scrape it off and see what you get. Oh, there's a code. Oh, it's a 10% off code. Oh, that's kind of cool. So if you buy more, you can get a 10% off code. Oh. Wait, what camera am I on? That one or this one down here? Okay. So it's a 10% off, and then they have a QR code also. And there was a QR code on the box. Also, there's and then they have the little like card like information that you can keep also. So you have record of like when you started it, and has some information in regards to tips and tricks on here. Like what the start date, completion date. It also has a QR code. It also has their social media information also, and has your signature that you completed it because it's your art, that sort of thing. And some more information on the back in regards to step-by-step instructions also. Okay. And oh, they're up in their game, guys. I didn't see this in the other ones, so they're changing some stuff up. Okay, so they're sending your stickers. So if you want to put your, if you want, as you're kitting up, kitting, I always thought it was knitting up. I know. You've got the stickers to do so. So you can put them on either the baggies or the little containers or however you do that. And you've got extras over here also. That's kind of cool. So if you want to write them down, that sort of thing. So this one looks like it's got 38 colors. That's cool. Huh. Okay. Let's take a look at it. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at this thing. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Wow. All right. Isn't she pretty? And you have, do this without knocking things over. You have legends on both sides. You got one over here, and you have one. Try to bring it into camera over here also, which is nice. And then you've got your card here. So you put the stickers on whatever you use. And let's see what they got in here. Let's see what they're sending. And their kits. Okay, they got the bags, so you can put your stickers on the bags. I like the bags. I don't want to take a bunch of storage with the little shakers, but some people do, and it's all a preference thing. I like this pen to put single ones down. It's absolutely wonderful for that. Let's see what else I got in here. We got some more boats. So if you have a couple of colors going, that's awesome. They've got the big numbers. They come in handy for other things. If you want to put bigger numbers on these, you can. If they're easier to see, the numbers are on here. They're on, like 07 is 7. But if you want to put bigger numbers on these guys, you can. Just however, whatever system you use. There's more wax for your pen. And there's these guys. So you have everything on the tweezers. Some people like to pick up their diamonds and put the diamonds down, especially when you get to the, if there's bigger ones in here, there might be. Oh, she's got some bigger ones. I know on the other ones, the jewelry on the girl had some bigger diamonds. I don't know about that on here. Yeah, look at all that. So yeah, you've got everything that you need here to get going on this one. And this one is called Dreaming in Color. Look at that. I'm looking at the camera that's over here, and it's like, wow. I'm laying all over it, so get a really good picture of her. She is so pretty, though. Very, very colorful. I mean, it's only 38 colors, but she's very colorful. Does that make sense? I've seen some where they're like, there's like 150 colors here. I'm like, are you kidding me? This is only 38 colors. So I think it would, even though I would work in sections, I would start probably in a corner and work my way out. I would think once you got going, it may go pretty quick. Usually the less the colors, the faster you go, that sort of thing. Because, like, for example, some of these areas where it's like all one color, if you have a multiplacer of some sort, those go pretty fast because you can lay down like 4 at a time or 5 at a time and go really fast. So it's like bam, 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 and you're done, that sort of thing. Over here on her face, looks like a lot of E's are right here, that sort of thing. So you could probably do that fairly quickly, that sort of thing. So yeah. Yeah, she looks really cool. She looks interesting. I liked her very much. But like I said, I'll leave up what the new ones are. I will show a little tiny bit of me working on Viral Kitten right here, so you guys can see what's going on with that one. I don't diamond paint every day. I try to diamond paint when I can. So it takes me a while to do these. Because I only do them maybe once a week. I will diamond paint for like half hour, 45 minutes or so. Because I actually have a life and all that stuff like you guys do. The cool thing about this canvas, and I don't know, you probably can't see it in this light, and I've mentioned it before, but the canvas itself has like a sparkle to it. So you guys probably can't see, but around the edges, like out here, there's like a glitter to it. So it's sparkly. So it's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Yeah, she's gorgeous. It's big though. Like I said, these canvases are not tiny by no means. I mean, look at all this. Yeah. And the way they come rolled up, they flatten out pretty quickly. I do put these back in the box until I'm ready to work on them. But yeah. And I think there's a coating system on here. If these get separated from the painting, I'm looking to see if there is. Oh, there is. So down here in the corner, there is, down here, this F01057S is the same as this here. So if you want to separate this from that, you could do that and lay this flat and store these elsewhere. You could do that and feel confident that you could bring them back together, and you would get them to the right diamond painting. But I'm going to put this one back in the box until I'm ready to work on it. So there you have it. All right. So I wanted to share that with you. So yeah, and I'm glad that they've done this. Yay! Somebody must have made a suggestion, and they said, okay, we'll add the little sticker thing. So yeah, that was a good ad. All right. Okay, so I'm going to get off here and do some things with the family. And what I always tell you guys, go out there, be absolutely awesome. Do your thing, and I'll see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.